All right, the chef with Christina's American Table in the Tens kitchen this morning, whipping up something perfect for New Year's.
He's making shrimp and grits with a side of, oh, we're going to have those black-eyed peas. We're going to join him next on the 10. All right, we've been talking about traditional New Year's dishes. It doesn't get more traditional than shrimp and grits from Christina's American Table. We welcome you, Chef Gary. Talk to me about, first of all, I've been down to Granbury before. Am I remembering correctly? Is this one of the Nutt Hotel, which is where the restaurant is? That's one of the haunted places in Granbury, is it not?
So they say.
No, come on.
It was built in the 1800s, I'm pretty sure I read. So it's an iconic area, and it's a beautiful space for a restaurant, haunted or not. Ghosts need reservations too, Steve.
Ghosts need to eat,
Hey,
right?
it smells delicious in here.
All right, put us to work.
All right, so we start off. First, what I did beforehand was render off some bacon.
Okay.
Now we're going to add some jalapenos into that bacon fat.
Hear that
Get
sizzle.
that sizzling. And if you want to help,
yeah, come on, let's do it. Let's do it.
I'm going to add the shrimp, but after I do that, why don't you go ahead and grab the garlic.
Okay.
We're going to get the shrimp sizzling a little bit.
And what is the shrimp? Is it marinated or what's?
These are seasoned. Okay. 3 seasonings. Really simple. No salt needed. Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and black pepper.
Oh, easy enough. Okay, what do you want me to do with the garlic? Sprinkle it in?
Take a nice big pinch and
nice big pinch.
There you go.
Does that work?
All right.
And that shrimp will cook relatively quickly.
Yes, this is a 4 to 5 minute dish.
Oh, wow, that's perfect.
Really fast, which makes it even better.
And even maybe tomorrow morning, too, when you wake up, you can eat some shrimp and grits to start off the new year, too.
It's one of our best brunch dishes.
Oh, I'm sure of it. You guys have a New Year's Eve dinner tonight, too, at the hotel. Is this on the menu, or?
This is not.
Okay.
We are doing a special menu tonight, which is based on prosperity around the world.
Interesting.
All different cultures, 10-course tasting menu paired with wines.
Oh, wow.
It's going to be fantastic.
Is this cream that we've added?
This is a little bit of heavy cream.
Okay.
This is how we start our sauce.
Okay.
This right here is parsley. You want to throw some of that in?
Yes, of course. I'm going to start handing
nice big pinch.
Nice big pinch.
Oh, right. No. That's okay. We want it fresh, you know. The parsley adds freshness to it. Coats it real
Steve,
good.
you're getting your veggies before
I was going to say, right?
It is green in that pan.
A little bit of that sprinkled over the top.
My friend, look, it's like a little now.
No, that's perfect. That is perfect.
Paige is cooking for 13 tonight.
I am. So wish me luck. Pray for me. All of the good stuff.
And you know what? It's as simple as that.
Wow. Okay, easy.
Now we go to plate. Which this is our grits. We use Italian polenta.
I was going to say, that looks like polenta.
Yes,
okay.
You can use any grits. You can use southern grits.
Okay, so for folks
polenta.
they're going to get polenta kind of in a tube in the store.
Yes,
How do you heat it up? Are you
There's a couple
in the
of
microwave
options.
or what?
You can do that.
Okay.
But the best way, I believe, is to cut it into discs like I did and sear it off in butter.
Yeah, for sure.
Amazing.
Nice and crispy. Lay your shrimp and grits shrimp right over it. Perfect meal.
Okay, let's move over to this side.
All right.
Black-eyed peas. Come on.
So in the South, black-eyed peas.
A staple.
Not tradition.
Yep.
You know, there's always a lot of leftover black-eyed peas. Next day, rinse them off, and you make what's called Cowboy Caviar.
Yes, I've heard of this.
All right, it's really easy to make. If you want to help me out with this.
are we just throwing everything in here?
Yeah, we're throwing it all in.
So is this jalapeno or bell pepper?
That is bell pepper. Then we have jalapeno.
Okay.
Tomatoes.
A little bit of corn.
Absolutely.
All right.
And the last thing we're going to put in is the avocado.
Okay.
Everything looks so fresh, too.
Is this cilantro?
Looks
cilantro,
delicious.
absolutely.
All right, against my better judgment, I'm going to put the cilantro in. You're the chef.
It just needs a touch.
Not there. Okay.
And then we'll season it with a little bit of salt.
Okay.
A little bit of pepper.
And this is what, a vinaigrette that you've mixed up here?
Yes, this is just a basic red wine vinaigrette. Every ingredient I have here, I got at a local grocery store.
Okay.
Awesome.
Anybody can do this.
We're going to mix a little here?
Toss it together.
Nice. Steve, you're natural.
I mean, come on.
Now you can serve this with tortilla chips.
Yeah, this is
bread.
great.
You can serve this over a piece of fish, over a steak.
You know, even if you're going to kind of like go cross-cultural here, like even a fried wonton is really good with Cowboy Caviar.
Yes,
okay, so talk to us about, so the hotel recently reopened. There was a big fire back in 2023. We were looking at the space online. It is gorgeous. I mean, what a great place to go and enjoy a meal.
We are blessed to be involved in the restoration of this historic site has been a blessing.
Yeah, look at this.
For our family, for our staff. The colors are beautiful. It's fresh.
All right, so for folks that might want to come out to have dinner, are you guys booked for the night?
For tonight, we are.
Okay.
We are. We're looking forward to it, but we do have openings starting next week.
All right, perfect.
Give us a call, make a reservation.
Yeah, Granbury, always a great place to visit. We appreciate you making the trip for us. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
All right, we're back in a moment with a final look at our question of the day. Details, by the way, on these recipes right now on our station website. Time to check in on our question of the day. This is a pretty close one today. So do you like the trend of making kind of a bingo board for your goals for the new year? 54% of you saying yes. Chef, do you have any goals, any resolutions for the new year?
I do.
Let's hear it.
You know, I need to spend some more time with my family.
That's a good
Well, your kids are watching at home, so hi to them. Dad's coming home soon. We got what, hours?
More time in 2025, I promise.
That's always a good one. Yeah, these bingo card situations, just making smaller goals to achieve the larger goals. I'm for it. Steve, did you say yes? Did you say no?
I'm in. I was a naysayer about the vision board a couple of weeks ago when we talked about it, but I'm in.
Yeah.
All right. So listen, we're not going to be live on the 10 tomorrow because of the New Year's holiday, but do not worry. You'll be able to catch a best of the 10 episode. It is right here at 10 o'clock. I'll be back on the desk on Thursday with Shannon Murray joining me in the co-host spot. Paige, it has been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much for having me. Let's do it again sometime.
I would love to.
All right, you guys are going to be talking with an expert on the do's and don'ts of modern dating. Steve, something you know oh so well. Hey, we wish you guys a happy new year. Go out there and make your day a 10. So fun.